Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shawna here, and today I am doing another Stitch Fix unboxing. I think they might kill me if I don't return this box soon. I've extended it multiple times. I'm like, it's the holidays. I'm busy. But let's see what I got. I don't think I asked for anything and I didn't get the preview, so I'm not sure what's in here. And I shouldn't be buying anything for myself anyways, it being the holidays. All my money is spent on gifts. So it's gonna have to be really good. Okay, what did I get here? My bundle has broken open. Oh, what's this? Jewelry, that's a different format. Let's see what it is. Oh, those are pretty. Earrings. Look at those. They have some teal in there. Those are pretty fun. Those would be really cute with the right outfit. I have a nice green sweater that would look cute with that. It depends on the price, but very cute. Oh, and speaking of, here's a nice green sweater. That's cute. This is really soft. It has, I'm not totally into this crisscross stuff in the back. I think it's just not me. I like a little bit more simple lines than that. But the color is pretty. I bet the earrings look amazing with it. And I bet that's not too bad. So we'll try it on and see how that looks. The color is beautiful. It's like a dark tealy green. Not exactly forest green. It has a little bit more blue in it than that. But it would look amazing with the earrings. Okay, let me get the rest of this out of here. Okay, what else did I get? So it looks like they put together like an outfit. So these are black denim. They are 7 for all mankind, which usually fit amazing and are soft. So those could be really cute on and would look great with the sweater and the earrings. So I'll try that on. And then here's another outfit. Oh, this is fun. Okay, so these are some Madewell gray sweatpants, which are super soft and lovely. And they, I bet, will look amazing with this blue hooded pullover. It looks like I have 2 outfits to try on. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and I think it's cute. I think it's pretty cute. The color on the sweater is really nice. It's soft and I think flattering. Tell me what you think about the back. I'm on the fence about the back. It's not really my style, and although I like everything about it, the back I might not grab it as much just because I don't love that look that much. Is it that bad? Or do you like it? I don't know. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. It depends on the price. If it's a really good price, then maybe I would deal with the back a little bit because I just wouldn't reach for it as often. And then here's the earring. Here are the earrings. And they look great with the sweater. They're not very heavy. They look heavy, but they're actually surprisingly light. And again, those would depend on the price. And then the jeans are just black denim. They're nice and stretchy. I don't know. They don't have a wash. They're just a dark denim. You could really dress up easily. Put them with some cutesy shoes and dress them up. So that's kind of a nice denim to have for like going out and dressing an outfit up a little bit more than some holey jeans. All right, well, this is a tough one. Okay, well, let me try on the next outfit. I'll be right back. Look at this cute, comfy outfit. I love this blue color, and my daughter says these little half zips are all the rage right now. And so that is cute, and it has a hood, which in Seattle I love. I just think it's cute. It has little thumb holes if that's your jam. It's got a little pouch. How cute is that? That's fun and snuggly. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, and I think that the sweatpants are cute too. They're just gray sweatpants, so it'll depend on the price, but they're pretty cute. Just sweatpants, classic old school sweatpants. I really like the sweatshirt though. Oh, I want the price to be good on it. But I like the other stuff too. Oh, goodness. All right, time to look at prices. I'll be right back. Okay, so my last box with Stitch Fix was really good. And I think this box is really good. It could absolutely be a 5 for $5 if it wasn't Christmas and I had spent all my money already on gifts. But I love that they put outfits together, which I feel like Stitch Fix doesn't do very often. They'll put pieces and some things will go together, but my last box had a cute outfit in it and this box has 2 cute outfits in it. And it makes me really, really happy that they're making a comeback. So, good for you, Stitch Fix. And now let's look at prices because I have to make some decisions. Okay, so the gray Madewell sweatpants, $52. That's not bad. That's not bad for Madewell at all. Oh, that's a really good price. Ugh, okay, maybe pile. The 7 for All Mankind are always high. They're so soft and they're really high quality. They're really premium denim and they are $169. So that I probably can't justify today. And I have quite a few black denim right now. So can't really justify that today, but super cute. Okay, then the earrings are $85. They're really cute, but I am cheap when it comes to earrings. So, well, any jewelry for that matter. But they are really nice and they go perfect with this sweater. Speaking of, this sweater by Love Ellie is only $44. That is a really great price. Does I have that right? Yep, dark green. $44. That's a terrific price. I might have to get that. I don't know. Okay, tough one. Did not expect that. And then the last thing is the zip hoodie by Threads for Thought, and it's $58. That's not bad either. Oh man. Okay, so if I did get everything, it'd be about $100 off. And this is about how it tends to be, is the whole box would be $300, which I'm not gonna get the whole box, but man, I could. I could, it's that good. Okay, so tell me, do I get the zip hoodie or do I get the green sweater? The green sweater is really nice and could go in my wardrobe, but honestly, I'd probably wear the hoodie more, but that's not necessarily a good thing. It's not necessarily what we want to be doing forever. So, you'll have to help me with that. Tell me what I should get. I hope you all have a happy holidays and a lovely and safe New Year's. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.